Greetings, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to explore the finest in kitchen technology, the best 10 combination microwave and wall ovens. Our quest begins with the top-ranked. Number 1. The GEJK3800 SHSS Combination Wall Oven. This powerhouse not only elevates your kitchen aesthetics but also combines the convenience of a microwave with the efficiency of a wall oven. Its spacious design and precision cooking features make it a standout choice. However, some users have noted a learning curve with its advanced functions. Next up, at Number 2, we have the GEPT7800 SHSS Microwave Wall Oven. This model marries sleek design with functionality, offering a seamless blend of microwave and wall oven capabilities. Its precise cooking settings and spacious interior cater to diverse culinary needs. On the downside, some users find the price on the higher side. Join us as we navigate through the features of each appliance, weighing the pros and cons, to help you make an informed decision for your kitchen upgrade. Now, let's delve into Number 3 on our list, the GEJK3800 SHSS Combination Wall Oven. Making a second appearance due to its exceptional performance. Renowned for reliability, this model excels in consistent cooking and optimized space utilization. Users applaud its versatility, but it's essential to note its energy consumption as a potential drawback. Number 4. The GEJT3800 SHSS Electric Combination Wall Oven. This electric wonder stands out for its rapid heating and cooking efficiency. Its user-friendly design and sleek appearance add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. On the flip side, some users have reported minor inconsistencies in cooking temperatures. Now, let's shift our focus to Number 5. The Samsung NQ70M7770DS 7.0 CU, FT. Stainless Combination Electric Wall Oven. Boasting a generous capacity, this stainless steel beauty combines functionality with a modern aesthetic. Unfortunately, it has garnered mixed reviews due to reported issues with the touchscreen controls and a relatively lower customer satisfaction score. Number 6 introduces us to the Samsung NQ70T5511DS 30 inches Smart Microwave Combination Wall Oven in stainless steel. This smart appliance not only enhances your cooking experience but also brings modern technology to the forefront. Its smart features and stylish design are commendable, but some users may find the initial setup a bit challenging. Next on our list at Number 7 is the GEPK7800 SKSS Electric Combination Wall Oven. This appliance not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also delivers on performance. With a sleek stainless steel finish, it seamlessly combines microwave and wall oven functionalities. Users appreciate its efficient cooking capabilities, but some have reported occasional noise during operation. Number 8, we have the GEJT3800 DHBB Electric Combination Wall Oven. This model is a testament to modern design and cutting-edge technology. Its electric efficiency and stylish black finish make it a popular choice. However, the higher price point may be a consideration for some buyers. Now, let's shine a spotlight on Number 9. The GEJK3800 DHBB Combination Wall Oven. With a perfect 5.0 out of 5 stars from one user, this model stands out for its consistent performance and reliability. It offers the same impressive features as its counterpart, the JK3800SHSS, but in a stylish black finish. Rounding off our top 10 at number 10 is the GE Appliances JK3800DHWW in white. This model emphasizes simplicity and functionality with a clean white design. Its versatility and easy-to-use controls make it an ideal choice for those seeking a classic look in their kitchen. However, the limited color option may not suit everyone's taste. As we conclude this review journey, we hope our insights into the pros and cons of each combination microwave and wall oven help you make an informed decision for your kitchen upgrade. Stay tuned for M.